Starting with skincare, I am first going to spray this green tea face toner from Good Vibes all over my face and neck area. After this, I will apply Lotus Face Moisturizer and I will mix this with Lakme Absolute Liquid Highlighter in the shade Ivory, and I will dot it all over my face and neck area to get a subtle glow. To prep my lips, I am applying Vaseline Petroleum Jelly, and after this, I will apply primer, which is from Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer. After applying the primer, I will leave the primer on my face for few minutes. I will apply the primer on those area where I crease the most, that is my forehead and my T-zone. After applying the primer, I will fill my eyebrows off camera, as you can see here. After this, I will use a concealer from Lakme Absolute White Intense in the shade 01 to hide the darkness under my eyes and on my eyelid area and to give a crisp shape to my eyebrows. I will use a concealer brush to blend this concealer. To set the concealer around my eyes, I am going to use this Lakme 9 to 5 Primer plus Matte Powder Foundation, and my shade is 01 Ivory Creme. For the foundation, I am using Lakme 9 to 5 Primer plus Matte Foundation, and my shade is W120 Warm Creme. I will dot it all over my face and then I will blend it with a foundation brush. To set my base makeup, I am using the same Lakme 9 to 5 Primer plus Matte Powder Foundation all over my face and neck area. To lock my base makeup finally, I am using this Ultime Pro Makeup Setting Spray from Faces Canada. I am spraying it all over my face and neck area. For my eye makeup, today I am going to use these two shades from the Makeup Revolution palette in the shade Hypnotic. Taking shade number 1, which is a dark brown shade, I am making a small wing at the outer corner of my eyes. I will use the same shade to smoke out the outer corner of my eyes, and when I am happy with the color deposition, I will blend out the color using a blending brush. Using the second shade, which is a lighter brown shade, I will blend it into my crease line together with the dark brown shade. Taking this liquid metallic eyeshadow from Swiss Beauty in the shade 08 Poker Face, I will apply it on my lid area very lightly. The kajal which I am using here is from Color Bar Just Smoky Kajal in the shade black. For the mascara, I am using L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara and I will apply it both on my upper and lower lashes. And this is the final eye makeup. I skipped the eyeliner here because I wanted the eyeshadow to pop out. Coming back to my face makeup, I am using this face palette from Sugar Cosmetics in the shade 01 Subtle Summit, and I will use the blusher, highlighter and bronzer from this palette only. For my lips, I am using the mixture of two lipstick. First one is from Faces Canada Glam On lipstick in the shade Sunset, and the second one is from Color Bar Cosmetics Matte Touch lipstick in the shade Stardust. I will apply Sunset first, and then I will dab Stardust very lightly above it. So this is the final look, guys. It is a kind of nude makeup look which will go with any and every outfit and is wearable by everyone. If you liked this video, then don't forget to give me a thumbs up and comment in the comment section. If you are new on my channel, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. I post regular updates and reels on my Instagram handle, so please don't forget to follow me there also. I will give my Instagram link in the description box. I will very soon meet you all with a brand new video. Till then, bye bye, take care. Celebrate New Year with all the safety protocols. I wish you all a very happy and prosperous New Year. Bye bye, take care, love you all.